Hi, these are the Science Department required courses. In 9th grade, all students will be required to take physical science. This is a combination of an intro to physics and chemistry. 10th grade, all students are required to take biology. And then your junior and senior year, you have the option of taking chemistry or physics. Or ideally, you would take both chemistry and physics, especially if you plan to go to a 4-year college. First of all, I'd like to talk a little about chemistry. For chemistry, there are 2 options for chemistry classes. One option is just a general chemistry. This course provides just basic knowledge of the chemical world. This is for students considering careers that require math and science, such as agriculture, engineering, technology, health fields, and you should really consider taking this chemistry class. Chemistry in the community also provides students with basic knowledge of the chemical world. It creates an understanding and appreciation for the fascinating range of chemistry and the daily impact it has on our community and the world.
Another option you have for an elective is physics. In the physics class, we go a little more in depth with the same material the second semester of 9th grade physical science. So some of the topics we look at you can see on the screen: forces, motion, velocity, acceleration, energy. We do a modeling curriculum, which means you will derive the equations, see the relationships, and then use those equations to solve the problems. Trigonometry is helpful to have coming into the class, but if you can do algebra, you'll be okay. This class can be taken as a 4-credit liberal arts class through the College Now program at SMSU, and it's the same class for college and non-college students. So if you're eligible to take the class for college credit, we encourage you to do so.
The Project Lead the Way Biomedical Sciences program offers a series of 4 sequential courses that can be taken for dual high school and college credit through St. Cloud State University. These courses are great for students interested in biology or a future career in the health sciences. The first course in the sequence is Principles of Biomedical Sciences. In this course, students work with a fictional character named Anna Garcia. Anna has died, and throughout the course, we piece together pieces of evidence from her crime scene and autopsy reports with pieces of her medical history to determine her actual cause of death. In this course, you'll learn about crime scene investigation and the science behind diabetes, sickle cell disease, heart anatomy and physiology, and infectious disease. Human Body Systems is the second course in the pathway. This course is similar to an anatomy and physiology course, but instead of focusing on independent body systems, we look at the overall themes of identity, communication, power, protection, and homeostasis, and investigate how different body systems work together to carry out those functions. This course is very hands-on and includes many dissections and modeling activities. Students also build a mannequin out of clay as we learn about various body structures. The third and fourth courses in the sequence are Medical Interventions and Biomedical Innovations. In Medical Interventions, we learn about the science behind fixing things that are broken. For example, we learn about different types of antibiotics and the development for different strains of bacteria. We learn about the physiology of hearing and how assistive hearing devices work. We also learn about organ transplants, genetic engineering, cancer, and the various treatment options for it. And we learn about and build prosthetic limbs. The final course, Biomedical Innovations, is a capstone course where students design and carry out a research project of their choosing and present it at a spring symposium. A new course offering that is open to any student in any of the biomedical sciences courses is Eco-Literacy School, for students collaborating in health-oriented outdoor learning. This is a semester-long mentorship program with health science students at the University of Minnesota, Rochester. Throughout the semester, students learn about public health topics and piece together components of the environment and investigate how they connect to overall human health. Students work in mentorship pods to carry out and create a public health related research project which gets presented at the spring UMR Education and Research Symposium. An exciting component to Ecoliteracy School is a 3-day field experience to Tetagooch State Park, where we live outdoors and experience firsthand the many ways in which nature connects to overall human health.